All right, who's ready to come to some amazing yard sales with me? This one that I'm heading to actually says it has a lot of Lululemon, Patagonia, North Face. Say less, because I'm gonna be there early. And they said it's all between $1 and $3. So honestly, this is my dream yard sale. It's almost as if they like baited the hook just for me to get me to go there. I'm super excited to take you guys along because this one could be really good. So ice skating uniforms can actually go for some really good money, but not at the prices at this yard sale. Still, it's something to look out for if you ever find it for a really good price. So back there are some Living Scripture and Nest DVDs. They were all brand new in the package. I have sold these in the past for some really good money, but they were wanting a little bit more of, as you'll see, a little bit more than I was willing to pay. And I don't think the value and the sell-through is still there now that they have like a subscription service. How much for the DVDs?
They are $3 each.
$3 each?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah,
Oh, you do?
I do. Yeah, I like to find cool vintage clothes and...
Oh, she's a, she probably does YouTube like go for it.
Yeah, I know. It's a dead giveaway.
I know, right? Yeah, those are cool.
All right, thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Let's see how your YouTube channel.
Oh, it's called Hustle at Home Mom.
This one?
That's me.
Wow.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's Last Cast Outdoors. It's all one word.
Last Cast Outdoors.
Yes, the
Okay.
L's capital, the C's capital, and the O's capital. How long have you
Awesome.
been doing YouTube for?
4 years?
Oh, 4 years? I've
Yeah.
only been doing it for a year now.
Stay
So,
with it. It's
that's
the best job ever. Well, good luck.
I
Thank
will
you so much.
subscribe to you.
So nice to meet you. I just thought this was kind of funny, so I picked it up. It was a couple bucks, another like, and then just like a Nike pullover crop.
Hey,
Nothing too exciting. So, oh, this one too. I just thought that was funny.
Nice. That's
So-
gonna sell.
Yeah, I think that'll sell. Disappointments, all of you. And then this one too is just another, like, I don't know, the brand is Chomp Tees, stay cool. Graphic tees, fun tees like this, they do sell 15 bucks pretty consistently for me. This was the Lululemon advertised yard sale, and I was there early, but clearly not early enough because there are a million people there. Sorry.
These are the best shoes.
Oh, they are. Okay, a couple bags, couple backpacks.
Okay, so you're at 19 total.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. Have a good one.
The next one, she said, had all kinds of Lululemon, Patagonia, North Face. She also said explicitly, like in the ad, do not come early and don't text.
Did you come early?
No, I went right there at 8. I was there at 8 and there was already a ton of people there. So I
Not
should have just
fair.
ignored the instructions and just gone early. But I overheard her saying that someone came the day before and got like everything. And I'm like, well, I thought you said no one was allowed early, whatever. But I did snag these Citizens of Humanity bootcut jeans. These will sell great, 30 bucks maybe. These are a consistent seller for me. A couple of North Face men's tees. These will, again, 15, 20 bucks. A Nike Witness. I think this is another 15 to 20, and then a Nike hat, another like 15. Another North Face. This I think is a women's tee. So I like the North Face, it's great. And I mean, it was as advertised, she had North Face, but, and then some Mizuno Wave Inspire. These should sell for like 30 bucks. So these are fine. They're in good condition too. No, and I also picked up 2 backpacks. This is a Ride Snowboards backpack. These actually sell for like 50 bucks.
Nice.
So
Okay.
this wasn't bad. This might have been the pickup of the day.
What'd you pay for it?
Just a couple bucks. This is a JanSport Airlift. It's like a heavier duty backpack. This could be another $25, $30.
See, I always thought JanSport was just...
No.
That's what I bought as a kid. So I figured it's no good.
Of the backpacks, it's not bad. So,
Okay.
I mean, I don't pick up just the standard JanSports, but if they're like heavier duty, the Airlifts, those are fine. Hey, how much for the shirt? $1. Great. There you go.
Thank you.
A lot of graphic tees. Fat and happy. I guess after yard sales today, I should wear this myself and just. It has a little hole in it here, but I love Harley tees. Fat and happy. I thought that will sell. But yeah, this is the only thing. It was $1. Looks to be like a little more vintage. Someone will love it. Hi. Sweater and a tank and some shoes.
Nice. We'll do 5.
Okay, $5.
Yeah.
Great.
Make sure
Thank
it's
you
not
so much.
counterfeit.
Thanks. Some Vionics. These sell fine, 25, 30 bucks. So I love Smartwool. This brand is a great brand to pick up. But just the tank tops aren't like my favorite. I like when they're the long sleeves or the jackets or the sweaters. But this should still sell for 20 bucks and I got it for $1, so not bad. I always look for that little Cocapelli guy. So always look for that. Oh, as well, this was a surprise at that yard sale. Geez, do you recognize this brand?
JanSport. Oh no. Patagonia,
Yeah.
of course.
It's like a cardigan, so it's not that exciting, but look, I'll pick it up
Hey.
for a couple dollars.
It's exciting.
Yeah, Patagonia, why not?
Pants are between sizes 27 and 29.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. You know someone that's tiny, that's a great deal.
What did he say?
Yeah, yep, that's the smart thing to do for sure. So for the shoes, she also wanted $20. The Corky's not worth it. I did try to talk her down. That's kind of why I put it in my pile. She also had another large pile of $50 items. And in the $50 items were these Zodiac boots, that Harley Davidson jacket, a Wilson's leather jacket. And again, she can totally charge whatever she wants. It's her yard sale, but I wish she had been willing to work with me on the prices, but that's another story.
I'll take $50 for those 3.
Oh, I was thinking more like 30, 35. Could you come down?
I was gonna try to sell these for 50 and those for 50, just
Okay.
because they sell online for 135.
Okay.
So, like, you could go right online and just sell them for $100 easy.
All right, no worries, but I'll do 15 on these.
And if you want these for 5, I'll throw these ones in for 5.
Oh, great. Yeah, I can do that. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Because today didn't go as well as it usually does, I think I'm justified in eating my feelings. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, this brand, this is a leather bag Jen & Co. I looked up the comps and they seem to be decent. So like maybe 20 bucks for this, 25. I paid $3. I was getting kind of desperate towards the end. I was like, I need something. Oh, I forgot to mention, I picked up these Nike Air Max Tavas for the kids. Because they are constantly losing shoes, destroying shoes. I'm like, I can clean these up, give them to the kids, and they can go ahead and have fun losing them again. This is a Levi's Sherpa lined trucker jacket. I love picking these up. I've sold these in the past for a lot of money. I think these days these sell for like $40, so it's still great. Paid $5. All right, this is where she would not come down in price for these. Like, she would not budge. She had a lot of other shoes, a lot of other Sundance. She was telling me that she's like, I could list these on eBay right now for over $100 and they'll sell. And I was like, no, you couldn't. But so I couldn't even find sold comps for the shoes that she had for more than $40. So I think she was this is what I'll say. She's totally allowed
Say
to
it.
charge whatever she wants.
She can charge what she wants.
But I was there 2 hours after it started and I was the only one there. She also had a bunch of jeans that she said were designer, but I know as a reseller just are not, they are not movers. Hudson maybe, but for $20 each, they were not it.
Seems
So
steep.
I did grab these 2 pairs for $20 total. Giwawa or Giwawa, I don't know how you pronounce that. I have sold this brand in the past and it sold quickly for like $40. So these do have like a little bit of wear, but it's just like natural patina and leather. So I think $30 for these. And then these are some very good condition Birkenstocks. Like they're very clean, good condition. I think at least 50 bucks on these. So that was it.
You know,
That's my whole haul.
You did-
I was very depressed and I was like, TJ,
you were pretty bummed out.
what do I was
about
like
10 o'clock.
texting him, what do I, this isn't
See,
going.
usually about 10 o'clock, I'm getting a text that says, I cannot believe what I just found.
Yeah.
This time it was like, and sometimes you do the fake out, like this is the worst day ever.
Yeah.
And then I know you're faking me out.
Yeah.
But this was a legit, this is not good.
Yeah.
I was like, oh.
But I'm so glad you joined me. I still think we found some good stuff. We found some decent stuff. I got a donut at the end and I ate it and it was delicious.
I didn't really do anything.
We as in me and my
You found some good stuff.
me and the Hustle at Home Mom fam.
The crew, okay.
We found some good stuff today.
Got it.
And I still think it'll sell for good money. At least, we have at least $300 in net profit here, if not more. So I think we're good. Not a bad way to spend a Saturday morning. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I appreciate you so much. If you want more content about how I find stuff at yard sales, thrift stores, pallets, whatever, this is the place for you. You can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. It helps me a ton. Thanks again, you guys. Take care and I'll catch you next time.